The Honor Magic 6 Pro looks gorgeous. The back of the phone has a nice texture and a big camera bump that reminded me of a jewel or a watch. The Magic 6 Pro's screen is amazing. It's 6.78 inches big, with curved sides and super bright colors. I could see everything clearly, even in the sun, and everything looked smooth and fast thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. The screen was great for multitasking and browsing social media. This phone is different from the rest. It has a cool AI eye tracking feature that lets you control the phone with your eyes. You can pick up a phone call with just your eyes. You can even drive a car with an app on the phone using your eyes. The Magic 6 Pro has a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that can handle pretty much anything. I tried playing Genshin Impact, a game with amazing graphics, and it ran smoothly. I also did Zoom calls and multitasked with my email app without any problems. The Magic 6 Pro beat the other phones in the 3D Mark tests, which measure how good the graphics and gaming are. One of the highlights of the Magic 6 Pro is its Falcon camera system. It consists of 4 cameras, each with a 50-megapixel or higher resolution. The main camera is a 50-megapixel lens which allows it to capture bright and crisp photos, even in low-light conditions. It also has a 180-megapixel telephalcon camera with 2.5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom, although the image quality deteriorates after 30x. The other cameras are a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel front-facing lens. I'm really impressed by the Magic 6 Pro cameras. They take amazing photos in different lighting conditions with accurate colors and sharp details. The zoom is awesome too, thanks to the 180-megapixel portrait lens. I can zoom in on any picture and it still looks clear. This is an ideal phone for sports photography. The portrait mode was also great, except for some occasional edge detection issues. But they were easy to fix by just adjusting the camera angle. I loved how the portrait mode created a nice blur effect in the background while keeping the foreground in focus. The cameras even support 4K 60fps video recording, as well as making use of Honor's host of new AI features. The Magic 6 Pro is a beast when it comes to battery life. It has a huge 5,600 milliampere silicon carbon battery that can easily last a whole day with normal use. It's the first phone outside China to have a silicon carbon battery, which is better for the environment and safer than the usual lithium-ion batteries. It supports 80-watt wired, 66-watt wireless charge support. I'm really impressed by the Magic 6 Pro. It's one of the best Android phones I've seen this year. The cameras are amazing, the screen is crisp, and the battery lasts long and charges fast. It's a phone that makes me excited about the future. This is a sleek and elegant phone. It has a curved screen with thin edges. The back of the phone has a smooth dual-color transition that feels nice to touch. It also has a vegan leather back panel that makes it look like a fine craft. The screen is amazing too. It's a 6.82-inch OLED LTPO display with QHD+ resolution and 10-bit colors. It can adjust its refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz depending on what you're doing. This display is perfect for watching videos and playing games. This is a beast of a phone with the Kirin 9000's chip that gives it amazing speed and battery life. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM, so you can switch between apps without any lag or slowdown. It also has cool features like satellite calling and 5G support. This means you can make calls from anywhere in the world, even if there's no signal or network. It's like having a space phone that works everywhere. You won't run out of space, because it has options for 1 terabyte or 512 gigabytes of storage. And if that's not enough, you can add more storage with a nano memory card slot. One of the cameras is a 48-megapixel ultra spotlight camera that can zoom in really far and still keep things clear. It has a special optical system that makes the images bright, sharp, and distortion-free. You can zoom in 5x, 10x, or even 50x and see things that are far away or close up. Another camera is a 40-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera that can fit more into the frame. The last camera is a 48-megapixel ultra-macro telephoto camera that can do both long-distance and macro shooting. You can use it to take photos of landscapes or tiny objects, and they will look crisp and detailed. With these three cameras, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus covers all the focal lengths you need, from ultra-wide to long distance, and from macro to micro. You can snap photos of anything you want, anytime, anywhere. It has a new X-Mage camera system that makes your photos look amazing and professional. You can capture stunning portraits, landscapes, and close-ups with realistic colors and details. You can record 4K videos at 60 FPS. On the front, there is a 13-megapixel selfie camera which captures amazing photo. It packs a substantial 5,000 milliampere battery, which supports 88-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. It also offers the convenience of 20-watt wireless reverse charging. This phone offers impressive battery capacities and fast charging capabilities, ensuring that you won't have to worry about running out of power.